Blockchain networks are like digital islands, each with its own rules, assets, and communities. Moving assets or data between these islands is still difficult, expensive, and risky. Interoperability is the solution. It connects these isolated ecosystems, unlocking a seamless digital world. Imagine your assets and data moving freely and securely across any blockchain, without you needing to know which network you're using. This invisible integration is what will drive mass adoption and make blockchain a core part of Web3. Without interoperability, the blockchain world stays fragmented, limiting innovation and user experience. The industry is shifting from competition to collaboration, recognizing that the future is multi-chain. The real value lies in connection, not isolation. As DeFi, NFTs, and new networks explode, the need for blockchains to communicate is urgent. Interoperability is the bridge to a unified, powerful Web3. In this video, we'll explore what interoperability is, how it works, and why it's critical for the future of blockchain. Let's dive into the technology making this possible. The next frontier is connection. Blockchain interoperability means different networks can communicate and exchange value directly, no middleman required. Unlike email, where you can send messages between Gmail and Yahoo seamlessly, blockchains are siloed by design. This makes moving assets or data between chains complex and risky. For example, using Bitcoin on Ethereum requires wrapping it, adding steps and security risks. The problem isn't just about assets. Blockchains can't easily share data, limiting collaboration and innovation. Interoperability breaks down these digital walls, creating a universal standard for communication. When blockchains interoperate, they form a single, powerful ecosystem. Each chain can specialize security, speed, or low cost while working together. The result, a better experience for users and developers. Interoperability is the key to unlocking blockchain's full potential. Next, let's look at the technology making this possible. Several technologies are driving blockchain interoperability. Bridges connect different chains, allowing tokens or data to move between them, like wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum. But bridges can be risky, often relying on central validators and becoming targets for hacks. Oracles like Chainlink fetch and deliver data across blockchains, enabling smart contracts to react to events on other networks. Dedicated protocols like Polkadot and Cosmos go further, creating frameworks for secure, direct communication between blockchains. Polkadot uses a relay chain to connect parachains. Cosmos uses its IBC protocol for direct chain-to-chain transactions. Atomic swaps let users trade assets across chains without a third party, using smart contracts for trustless exchanges. Projects like Quant build operating system-like layers for multi-chain applications. Each technology weaves the blockchain world closer together. The result? A foundation for a truly interconnected Web3. Now let's see what this means for users and developers. The benefits are game-changing. Interoperability unlocks unified liquidity. Users can access deep pools of value across chains, leading to better prices and efficiency. Developers can build cross-chain dApps, combining the best features of multiple networks. Imagine a game storing NFTs on a secure chain, while gameplay runs on a fast, low-cost network. In DeFi, users can leverage assets on one chain to borrow or earn yield on another, all from a single interface. This breaks down barriers, creating a massive, interconnected financial marketplace. Interoperability also boosts scalability and resilience. If one chain is congested, transactions can route through others. The result: faster innovation, richer applications, and a more robust Web3. Friction disappears, and new ideas spread quickly across networks. This collaborative spirit is what will drive Web3's evolution. Interoperability is the catalyst for a truly open, user-centric internet. Let's look at real-world examples. Interoperability is already transforming DeFi, gaming, and more. Protocols like Axelar and Layer 0 let users swap assets across chains with a single click. In gaming, NFTs can move between games on different blockchains, creating a true metaverse. DAOs can manage treasuries across multiple networks, and supply chains can share data securely between private blockchains. Digital identity becomes portable. Verify once, use anywhere. Leading projects include Cosmos, Polkadot, Chainlink, Quant, and OneChain, each building unique solutions for cross-chain communication. Interoperability turns isolated digital economies into a unified global network. As these technologies mature, cross-chain complexity fades, leaving users with a seamless, powerful experience. The future of Web3 is open, connected, and collaborative. The next era of blockchain is here. built on bridges, not walls.